Welcome. My name is Theatric, and there's a lot of ways you can make your money grow faster. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, hit that like button and notification bell so you can stay up to date. Now, if you want to make your money grow faster, there's a lot of great things you can do. You can invest in stocks and bonds. You can create your own website, sell your own products. You can start a business. You can also create your own YouTube page, social media page. It's a lot of great ways you can help your money grow faster. If you're new to the channel, feel free to check out some of my previous videos. I show you a lot of ways how you can make money online, attract money, and become more abundant. And let's get to it. There are certain tools you can use to help make your money grow faster. Starting your own business is a great way to make money grow faster. There's a lot of different businesses you can easily start these days. You can also do affiliate marketing. That's another very popular way of making more money, increasing your income. And this is a very easy way to help your money grow faster. Make sure you check out my previous videos. I show you a lot of ways to make your money grow faster. How to increase your income. How to make smart investments. And this is a great way you can have more money by next season. Which ways do you use to make your money grow? Send me a comment and let me know. And send me a comment and let me know what you think about my content. I really appreciate it. And there's another great way you can make your money grow faster, and it's by using positive affirmations like I am rich, I am wealthy, I am abundant, I am a money magnet, I am never in need, I always have everything I want. You can check out some of my previous videos. I show you a lot of different affirmations and positive things you can say to help make your life be better. And let me get back into making this money grow. When you're making your money grow, you want to not get the leaves as much as possible. This is a great way to help make your money grow faster. And if you want to know more ways to make your money grow faster, I will soon be making it available so you can reach out to me and I can actually help you. So make sure you stay tuned, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and like the video, and see you next time.